Come on, move it! Keep them moving, watch the left side. All right, keep it slow. Easy, boys. Come on down the ramp now. Watch the mud here, guide them right.
Okay, the RFID tag scanned successfully.
Horns look healthy. Entering the data now.
Everything seems normal according to the tablet.
Yes, the readings are consistent with the physical exam.
Back up, keep it steady. Clear the tutor, we're closing the gate now.
Keep moving now. Watch your step there, easy now. This way, over here.
Keep them moving to the right. Watch the last one, guide it down slowly.
Keep them moving steady now. Watch the gate on the left. All right, bring the last one in.
The fiber density here is inconsistent with the previous batch.
Yes, I'm noting the collagen alignment score right here.
The density reading here is exceptional.
Confirmed. The tensile strength matches the scan data. This is premium quality hide.
.95 gloss units. That meets the specification.
The alignment on sector gamma looks correct.
Yes, the embossing depth is exactly as specified.
Stitching alignment within tolerance. Zippers are smooth and secure. Final approval logged.